Y'all, I am back with another unboxing, an awesome crochet hook. And I'm sure it's going to be awesome because all of her stuff is awesome. This comes from Hooks by Laurie, and Laurie Whitaker is the one that makes all of these. She makes the most awesome things in all different styles for all different seasons, holidays, all kinds of stuff, okay? Now, y'all know I'm all about horror movies and I like the scary stuff. So that's most of what I buy, but she does have lots of other kinds, okay? Now, if you look down in the description box and in a pinned comment, I'm going to have a link for you to where you can check out her hooks if you want. You can also look down there and click on those links to where I have some previous videos where I did some unboxing of hooks that I've gotten from her. And let me just show you those right quick. This one has the Krampus on it, Seasons Beatings, because I love the Krampus. All right, this one has Michael Myers. It says you just can't keep a good psycho down. And you can see the size is right here, okay? So it's not going to rub off or anything. She puts the size on there or she stamps it in and then she coats it. So the size is not going to come off, all right? So we have this one. We have a Christmas horror icons. We have Ghostface and Freddy Krueger, Pennywise, Michael Myers. We got Jason. Now, this is one of her character hooks, okay? See, she has different styles of the handles for these, right? She has, like, the fatter ones, and then she has, like, the thinner ones. So there are a couple different styles. As far as the brand of hooks go, she has a list of the brands that she uses and also all of the sizes. I prefer Clover. Those are a $10 upcharge, but they are well worth it. So here's one of the character hooks. my little Michael Myers here. Like I said, as you can see, she puts the size right there. So there's that one, and then here's this one. Y'all know I do adore Ghostface, so this one is just Ghostface, okay? And then there's some ink pens and some other goodies, but you can watch the video that I linked to if you want to see me opening up this major box of goodies that she sent me not too long ago. So we are going to open this one up, and she always has the coolest little stickers in here. And the way she packages it and the extras and everything, it really is worth the price, okay? It's like opening up an actual gift and not just a product that you've ordered. So this card, your purchase has made my day, and I hope this makes your day. We all know we need to support these small businesses, okay? And then this is her business card. And she always puts in a really cool sticker. I like this one. How cute is that? Yeah, like a heart made of yarn in your crochet. And a little bee. All of the little worms, as Graveyard Girl would call them, worms! Worms, worms, worms. There's all kinds of cool stuff. I got so excited. I squealed, actually, when I saw this in my mailbox. I was like, ah, you know? But let's get some of this out of here. And, okay, we're going to put these two over here. All right, so there's that. Okay. We're going to set this aside. So this really cool pen. I love pens so much. I love pens. I love pens so much. So there's this one. And then we got the claw. Ooh, claw type clip. Well, I call them claw type clips because they have like the little spiky things on there. But a skeleton hand hair clip. How cool is this? Oh, my hand is itching. Why? I don't know. Ah, look at this pen. Looks like a syringe. How awesome is that? Oh, stitch markers. She has the coolest stitch markers. And she always says it, the coolest spooky stitch markers. Go check out that other video, okay? Seriously, go check it out so you can see the cool stitch markers that she sent me last time. But look at this. It's a blood bag. How awesome. Okay, we got this tiny little thing of Tic Tacs. I've got glue all over my hands. Y'all got to forgive me. I've been crafting all day, y'all. Oh, look at this. How cool is this? How cool is that? So we got the record. How awesome. More candy. I loves candy. I loves candy so much. All right. Oh, another dripping heart. I've got a few of these and they're awesome. I love them. I use them quite a bit. Okay. Oh, look at this little ghosty, like a little shelf sitter type deal. He's going to sit on something. I don't have anything for him to sit on right now, but he can sit. Oh, look, he can sit on the Tic Tacs. All right, look, we're going to put him on Tic Tacs. Boop. There we go. Ah, and look at this one, an 8-ball. How cute is that? More worms. Worms! The worms are everywhere. I save this stuff, okay? I like to repurpose stuff, so I just throw stuff away. Oh, another stitch marker. Look at this. Look at this. A microphone. Ah! And stop! Look what I did. I dropped it in my lap. I'm sorry. A spider. I'll call him a spooter. It's a spooter. Or a speeder. I don't know what you want to call it. Okie dokie. So let's open up this hook. See, she packages all of them with this bubble wrap. so that they do not get damaged. Oh, yes. Okay, this was the Ozzy Osbourne commemorative crochet hook that she did. So with the bat, so there's a little bleeding bat, and it says Ozzy. This all glittery. And I do get a 4.5. I use 4.5 all the time, so that's the size I always use and order. So how cool is that? And then this one, oh gosh, is this the holographic one? Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I got glue and stuff all over my hands. Y'all gotta forgive me. But I was so excited when I got this. I just had to unbox it. Look at that. Oh, like this color shifting purple. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at that. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, and it feels so good too, like right where you put your thumb. This one feels really, really good. See, this is a little bit fatter right here. These feel really good. All of her hooks feel good to me. This one, that is so cool. Yep. And she had several different colors of these too. So if you click on that link that I put down below for y'all, and then you get into her Facebook group, yeah, look at all the different colors, because she had several different colors of these. These are so awesome. So I love them. Thank you so, so much for sending me this. It is so cool. So what do we get in this box? We got that hook, okay? And then we got the Ozzy hook. We got this little ghosty and the Tic Tacs. All right, so we got this candy here. And then we got, darn it, Amber. Then we got this pen. It says Hooks. Can y'all see that? Focus. Hooks by Laurie. And we got the syringe pen, the spider, the bleeding heart, the blood bag, all for Ozzy. Ozzy! We got the microphone. Then we got this record. You know what? Let's take a look at this record. This is just so cool. You know, we got the record. Then we got an 8-ball. We got this skeleton hand hair clip. And then we got the sticker. So a very, very awesome box. Another awesome box from the very awesome Laurie Whitaker. So I hope that you enjoyed this short video. If you would, please give it a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media. The links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.